Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. Listen to the video and subscribe. A needy person is not one who begs, but one who does not reveal his grief, pain or sorrow to anyone. There is a lot of reward on his spending money on such people. One who is used to begging has to fulfill his needs, but one who has self-respect never stretches out his hand to beg. These are the needy who we should look for in order to help them. As our Holy Prophet said, the needy is not the one who roams around for a couple of mouthfuls of food or a few days, but the real needy is the one who does not have enough money to fulfill his needs. But since he conceals his true state from others, they are unaware of his needs, hence people do not give him any charity and he does not beg from the people. Allah the Almighty has said, "Whosoever takes the responsibility and helps my weak creatures, whom none is ready to help, then I stand guarantee for him." On another occasion, the Holy Prophet said, "The one who strives for the needy is comparable to the one who endures and struggles in the way of Allah, and the one who prays all night and fasts during the day." May Allah give us tawfiq. Ameen.